with help of mean, we try to find the missing frequency. So we have we'll take a problem from the textbook here. So x values for both the discrete series and the continuous series. Okay. So x is equal to here x values 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and frequencies 5, 7, dash, 12, and 6. Where here find the missing frequency of the following the data where x bar, that is mean, is equal to 20.5. So the mean for this data is 25 point. The one of the frequency is missing here. So we have to identify that missing frequency with help of the mean given there. Now we know the formula of arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. So for grouped data, so here grouped data and frequency is missing. So just fill the values and identify whatever steps are there. Just follow them as usually we are calculating the mean. So first step, we need to find what here? Fx column. So fx 10 into 5, 50. Next 15 into 7. So what is 15 into 7? 105. So we don't know the value of this frequency of this 20 here. So just name it as A. Okay. So 20 into A, 20A. Then 25 into 12. That is 300. And 30 into 6, 180. Just make the total of both these columns, frequency column and fx column. So frequency column 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 6, 30 plus A. So we cannot leave A there. So 30 plus A. Next total of fx column. So that is 50 plus 105, 155. Plus 300 plus 180. So total is 635 plus 28. Okay. Now fill these values in the formula. X bar already given, that is 20.5 is equal to summation fx is 635 plus 28 divided by n is 30 plus A. 30 plus A. Now take this 30 plus A opposite side. So it will become into, so 20.5 into bracket 30 plus A is equal to 635 plus 20A. So open the bracket, 20.5 into 30. How much? 615 plus A. Sorry, plus 20.58 is equal to 635 plus 20A. Now send this 615 opposite side. So there is a positive sign here. When we send it opposite side, it will become negative. So 635 minus 615. And take this 20A this side. So here plus 20A is there. So it will become 20.5A minus 20A is equal to 635 minus 615. Now 20A, sorry, 20.5A minus 20A is 0.5A is equal to 635 minus 615 is 20. Okay. Now A is equal to 20 divided by 0.5. So what is the 20 divided by 5? 20 divided by A is equal to 10. 20 divided by 0.5. 20 divided by 0.5. How much? 20 divided by 0.5. 20 divided by 0.5. Not 20 into 0.5. 20 into 0.5 is 10. Is it? If you multiply 0.5 with 20, the answer is 10. Because when you multiply 0.5, it will divide it into half, two part. So here A into 0.5 is there here. There is a sign between A and 0.5 is into. Multiplication sign. So when we send opposite side, it will become divided by. So if you have a calculator, just calculate it and check. 20 divided by 0.5 is 40, not 10. Is it? So A is equal to 40. So the missing frequency of X20 is 40 here. Let us cross check it. Let us cross check. So if you get the answer 20.5, then our answer is right. Okay. So just put 40 here. So 40 into 20, how much? So I'm writing in bracket here. So 40 we found the answer. So 20 into 40 is 8,000. Or else just put the values in these two. 20 plus 40, 70. So n is equal to 70 here. And 20 into A is 40. 40 into 20, 8,000. 800, no? Okay. I made a mistake. So 20 into 40 is 800. 800 plus 635. Is equal to 1435. So x bar is equal to, what is the summation fx? 1435 divided by n is 70 now. So 70. So 1435 divided by 70. So we get 20.5 exactly. So what the missing frequency we identified is right. So here remember one thing. Sometime we may get A, that is missing frequency answer in a decimals. But frequency cannot be a decimal. It is an purely integer because we count the values there. We don't measure. X's are measures. They are variables. X values are variables. They may change. We may get even in decimals also. But frequencies, they are purely integer because we count them. So suppose if you got here any decimal number, then round it off to the next value depending on the decimal value there. Okay.